Hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy. Today we're doing our budget for June, and I was feeling a little sticker happy today, so I decorated my pages because I'm so in a good mood. And I also have my budget sheet ready and all that good stuff. So if you like this kind of video, stay tuned, and here we go. As you can see, I already added all my stickers so I can fill in all the bills that are due for the month. And I know this is something that we do every month, but why do we have to pay bills? But I already have everything set up so I can add all my bills and when it's due and all that good stuff. So starting with the first of the month, I'm trying to look at my other sheet so I can see what's due on what date. I already added my stickers at the side for my all my paychecks. I have 5 of them for the month of June. Hey, 5 months. 5 paychecks this month. Happy. So we're gonna start by adding all the bills into the stickers so that we keep track of everything and know when stuff is due. This is very helpful. If you haven't done a budget before, this is a good start. So on the first we have rent, and that's $1145.54, and that's already paid. And the way I do my month is that I take some funds from one of my sinking funds, pay the rent, and then throughout the week I add back that money until I pay off the amount that I borrowed for the rent. So I already paid that. And then the next thing was my Cricut subscription, and that's like $11 for the month. Then we have our storage room, which is $129 for the month. That's also already been charged with my credit card, and I will be paying back my TD credit card in this month, so that would be like just offsetting or paying back my credit card. Next we have an entire week without a bill, and then we have Discover credit card due on the 12th. Then on the 14th I have City card due, and I'm missing something here. I didn't want to cover up my my flower, so Expedient credit monitoring is also due on this day, so we're just gonna add it here in the cut right under my flowers so I don't cover up on my pretty flowers. So that's usually like $17 for the month. Then on the 15th we have my life insurance and my son's insurance due. Mine is $99. My son's is $20.99 because he had it since he was a baby. Then iCloud is due, and that's only 99 cents for the month, and that's due on the 16th. Then we have Best Buy, which is due on the 17th, and there's no interest on my Best Buy credit card. All my electronics are bought to Best Buy for no interest as promo. As long as you paid off for the promo period, you're good. Then we have Con Edison on the 18th. That's light and gas. Then on the 20th we have our CS credit card due. That's also a 0% promo that expires next year. Then we have TD credit card due on the 22nd, and then Chase on the 23rd. Those two, like I said, TD I owe just the storage, and Chase nothing. Then we have Canva on the 27th. Then on the 28th I made a purchase that actually stored for some pants, so I owe that credit card only $122, so that will be paid this month, paid off this month. And then my final bill for the month is Cablevision, which is phone and internet, and that's usually like $100 a month. So that's all my bills. And since we already got paid for the first week of June, and that amount was 937 cents, so I'm going to add it to the side where I add those stickers for my paychecks for the month. I do have 5 paychecks in the month of June. Hey, and I added those stickers at the side so I can add each paycheck. And then I also add a no spend sticker so I can keep track of if I have a 0 spending for each week, then I'm gonna put a check or something there. So I add that sticker for that purpose. I just love these flowers, and these stickers are actually from the Happy Planner. Then we're gonna go over our monthly budget. We're filling out our monthly budget sheet and kind of show what I'm budgeting for each bill or each category and what I foresee my paychecks would be and all that good stuff. So at the top I'm listing all my income, budgeted income, not actual yet. So all the budgeted income that I think is going to come in, I'm going to list here and add my total. Then I'm going to list all the bills that's going to come out of this budget for this month. So we have rent is $1145.54, storage $129, my insurance is $99 and $20.99. Then Kindle, we're going to restart. I had gotten a number of free months, so it's going to restart, and it's $9.99 a month. So it's going to start on the 16th, so we're going to add that to our budget. Then we have iCloud 99 cents. Expedient monitoring is $17. I'm trying to add like at least $150 this month to my car down payment. And Canva $13 and Cricut $11. For our other variable expenses, we have Con Edison, which I'm budgeting $150. Hope it stays below that. Cablevision, $101. Travel, $200 for the month. Groceries, I only added $100. Sinking funds and savings, $275. And cash from my wallet, $225. So we're just adding our budgeted amounts, and we're not going to add these up because these may actually happen or they may not. Depends on my extra money coming in and all that stuff. So we won't be adding up the budgeted amounts, totals, I should say. And once we have our actual numbers, then I usually go over and add up all the numbers to see how we did. So for credit cards, we're adding $600 to Discover, $200 to Citi, and $100 each for Sears and Best Buy. I would like to do a balance transfer from my Citi to Discover, but then I still have a balance in Discover, which is still going to get interest. So it's kind of putting me off. So I don't know. Should I? Could I? I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. So for my challenges, we're gonna budget a bunch of money here. It may happen, it may not happen. Budgeting 10,000 for the 10,000 challenge. I'm budgeting $1,000. 52 weeks, 337, which I'm trying to complete the rest of the numbers in this month. The $20 challenge, $100. $15 challenge, $75. $10 challenge, $50. And I added a 5, a 2, and a 1 challenge. So we're trying to do 25, 10, and 5. For the $1,000 challenge, we're gonna budget $133 because I'm trying to do numbers 20, 25, 26, 30, and 32. So we can color those in for the month. So that's a total of $133. I'm just making a little note so I can put it on my budget so I know what numbers I'm doing. And then for the 100 envelope challenge, we're trying to do 5 of the numbers, which is going to be 84, 83, 82, 81, and 78. And that's add up to 410. Then our monthly challenges, we're trying to do $195. And one of my monthly challenges, I'm trying to save the date of my paycheck. So if my paycheck is on 8th of the month, I would save $8. So that's what you see me adding up. So for this month, between the 2 monthly challenges, I want to save $195. The mystery challenge, since we don't know what it is yet, because it's a mystery, we're going to leave blank. Emergency fund, we're going to do $250. And American Express, we're going to do $125. So since we already have our paycheck for this week, I'm just going to go over my weekly budget real quick. We carry over for the beginning of the month $99.74, so we added that. My actual paycheck was $937. $150 of my second income, and we had a little hustle money for $134.77 from eBay. And so we're gonna add up our actual numbers, and that will be $1,284.88. I was just double checking my hustle total. So it's correct. And like I said, the total is $1,284.88 for the week. And we're gonna add payback rent, $395.54. Travel, we're gonna do $40 for the week. Little boo-boo. And some whiteout, just fix that. And then our travel, like I said, is $40. And we're paying one more thing this week. It says Cricket subscription, and that's $11. Oops, wrote it on the wrong line. That's where our whiteout comes in again. So we're gonna add $11 to Cricket, and I'm not paying any of the credit cards this week. That's it for the bills. We're gonna do our sinking funds and savings and challenges budget and see what we're going to do, but we're not going to do this on this video. So I have my sheets ready. This is for my challenges and savings, and then we have our sinking funds on the third sheet. Love everything to be in order. So that's all my sinking funds, but I did complete Amazon Prime. I used the small monthly challenge of 120 to complete the total in Amazon Prime. So that's complete. I don't need to add anything for now. And whatever we're saving in the monthly channels for June will go to another sinking fund. Maybe my PO box. We'll see. And that's it for all the budget stuff. And that's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoy watching me put my budget together. Whether it's the monthly one, the weekly one. Completed my calendar with my beautiful stickers that I love. So I hope you guys enjoyed, like I said, and give me some comments below. Let me know if you guys do a budget like this and if it's working for you. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click your notification bell so you can see when I upload again. And thank you for watching. Bye.